Hey guys, hope you're doing fine. My name is Nishant and we are at day 31st of Merit Coding Challenge, the final day. Let's look at our question. Edit distance, given two words, word 1 and word 2. Find the minimum number of operations required to convert word 1 to word 2. We are permitted 3 operations: insert a character, delete a character and replace a character. Okay, we can insert a new character or delete a character or replace a character as well. Okay, here's an example: horse, and we need to convert it to ROS. Okay, so first we replace H with R and it becomes ROS, and we remove R, then the middle R or the second R in the string, and after that we remove E. So there are a total of 3 operations involved and we have to find the minimum number of operations. So let's look how we can solve this using dynamic programming. So we will create a matrix of size. Let's consider the size of this word be n, then this be m, of size m plus 1 and n plus 1. And let's quickly see how we fill up the first row and first column. So what if we have an empty string and we need to convert an empty string to an empty string? We don't do that, we don't do anything, and simply just we put 0 here. Okay, so and to convert an empty string to R, we just need to insert one character. Okay, and to convert empty string to RO, we need to insert 2 characters, and similarly for S is 3. Okay, and what if we need to convert H to an empty string? So we need to remove H, so we need to remove one character, so we put 1 here. Similarly for the rest of the characters. And for horse, if we need to convert horse to empty string, we need to delete 5 characters, so 5 here. Okay, so now what we do is we traverse both the strings and compare the characters. If the characters are same, we just what we do is we check what is the number of operations for the previous substrings. Okay, we just put it, and if the characters are different, in this case H and R are different, so we check the minimum of what operation will result in the minimum number of operations. Either we delete this character or insert a new character or replace this character. Okay, so since H and R are different, we check from these 3 whichever is minimum, either replace, delete or insert a new character. Okay, so we add 1 to that and that will be our result. Okay, so we have the minimum of these 3 is 0. We add 1 to this and put 1 here. Okay, next we compare H to O. They are again different. We compare these 3, whatever is the minimum, we add 1 to it and store it here. Since 1 is the minimum, we add 1 to it and store here. And H and S, they are all also different, so we get the minimum, add 1 to it and store it here. Okay, now we do it for O. Now since we have a length, we have a string HO and we need to convert it to R. Okay, so this is the sub problem. So O and R are different, so whatever is the minimum, and we add 1 to it and put it here. Why there are 2 number of operations involved? Since we can just remove one character, either H or O, and replace the remaining character. If we remove O, we remain with H, and we replace H with R. So there are total of 2 operations involved. That is the minimum. Okay, now O and O are similar. Okay, so we don't need to do anything, we just get 1 from here and store it here. Whatever be the previous substring having the minimum number of operations, that is the answer. Okay, now for O and S, we get the minimum and add 1 to it and store it here, and we do it for the remaining whole matrix. And since R and R are same, we get 2 from here, store it here. And O and R are different, what is the minimum, we add 1 to it and store it here, and 2 for this as well. Now what is the minimum, store it 3 here, What is the minimum? Store 3 here. Now S and S are same, we get 2 from here and store 2 here. Now E and R are different. What is the minimum? Minimum is 3, we add 1 to it and store it here. And O and E are different. What is the minimum? The minimum is 3 and we add 1 to it and store it here. S and E are different, so we get the minimum, that is 2, and we add 1 to it and store it here. So now this will be our answer. We need to perform 3 minimum operations to convert HOS to ROS. Okay, and that is our answer as well. Okay, let's code this now. Okay, let M be the size of string word1. Okay, and int N be the size of string word2, and just create a matrix of size m plus 1 and n plus 1. Okay, so to fill up the matrix we traverse it like this. Now we do if I equals 0, dp of I and j, that is if the string 2 is empty. Okay, else if j equals 0, dp of, and this for if the word1 string is empty. Okay, else we check if the characters are same. We do nothing but just get the result of previous substrings. Okay, and in the end what we do is we get whatever is the minimum of 3 operations and add 1 to it. Okay, so dp of I minus 1 and j, dp of I j minus 1, dp of I minus 1 j minus 1. Okay, and return dp of n is the answer. Okay, so there's a cool trick. You can just pass any number of parameters to get the minimum in the parentheses. Okay, suppose you have to find more than you want to compare more than 2 elements to find the minimum amongst them. You just put them in a parenthesis and pass to the minimum function. Okay, let's run this code. One error. Okay, it should be word2. Changing the 0. We made a mistake somewhere. Okay, this should be j. Okay, now this looks good. Let's run this one more time. Okay, out of bounds error. Shit, we should be n and this should be m. Okay, now it's fine. 3 and 3. Let's check for example 2 as well. Let's run code. What should be the answer? Answer should be 5. It's 5 and 5. Let's submit it. Guys, it's accepted. Link for the code is in description. Thanks for watching. See you next time.